Well, I know what the attraction is today. It's snowing out, and they would rather be up here under the canopy of this window feeder than out there on the feeders where they're getting full of snow. Look at this, 5 of these guys in there. A lot of fun having them so close. I'm about a 1.5 feet away watching this. We got a purple finch and 2 goldfinches out here. Very cool. And then right next door is Mr. Downy. He's back again. And he's working away at the peanut butter. This is unbelievable today. I guess I better get out and fill my feeders.